Hi guys, I'm showing this video about how to do steel structure and block work, mason work. Here you can see construction entrance stone, okay, to be away from the mud, especially on winter. That is stone number 2, you can see. And here we have steel structure and metal stud framing started, okay, and slab work done, mason work, steel structure, bar joist, okay. Oh, and here you can see slab work, choke line for framing, slab work. Okay, here you can see the snow hit the slab framing, okay. They did the grinding here, you can see that is wet. Here choke line, you can see choke line center to center, framing and mason work. And you can see here piece of block for elevation. Okay, block work, temporary power, block work, okay, plate, and here steel structure, rebar joist, okay. Here utility work, steel structure, you can see here plates. So here that's the row for block, that's solid concrete, because a lot of the plates and bolts should be solid. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, anchor bolts, columns, beams, caution tape, mason work, and still metal door frames, double door here, single door. Okay, here you can see with the plastic, because we got the snow, so the snow melted, come down to here, and here hit the concrete. You can see concrete, the snow and the rain hit the concrete. That concrete was fresh concrete. That's why they put plastic. You can see water here on hold, okay. And now we'll do grinding for concrete, because you can see the concrete here, because it is ugly. That's ugly concrete, no good. That's an issue from the rain. You can see water, so they will do grinding. We'll do grinding work. Here you can see electrical conduit, and here you can see the slab work. Rain, we got the snow, so when the snow melted down, hit the concrete slab, you can see no good finish. So now they try to do grinding and make it looks better, make it smooth. So that's not good, unlucky. You can see here the plumbing pipes. So again, rain and the snow there, and come down and hit the slab. You can see That's everywhere. That's why they put the plastic here. Okay, so here you can see the plate. Okay, and that's the bond beam. You can see rebar, bond beam, and the plate. Okay, electrical work. So this video about mason work and steel structure, slab work. Okay, you can see no good finish. Slab, unlucky because of the rain. Mason work. Okay, electrical work, rebars. Okay, you can see that angle at the end, it's welded. Okay, that's the bar joist. Okay guys, here you can see plumber. So and you can see there's no good concrete finish here. They try to fix it and do grinding work. So you can see the rain hit the concrete, and that's the result after grinding. You can see the grinding work here. Try to use the grinding. So use the rain. Look, the rain what did, because we got snow and rain above, and then the rain come down. So that's no good finish for slab. Try to do grinding. Okay guys, and here you can see metal studs work, and here you can see footers and anchor bolt over there. Okay, for this section of the building. Okay guys, so please, if you like this video, please subscribe and like. I will upload more videos. Here you can see electrical work. That should be in the wall here. There's a wall here and wall there. Okay guys, thank you guys, bye.